Okay guys, right now I want to change these 3 hoses. They're not the worst shape, but I just want to change them, refresh them, and all that. And they're disposable clamps, but sometimes I'm able to reuse them. I just kind of like open them up like this. Let's see if I can show you. Use this tool. This. Okay, gonna install new hoses now. So the easiest way to close these clamps is by using the dikes, the cutters. And so you kind of just already did one of them like this. So you have to like hold it with the dikes, and then you have to grab a pair of these pliers and just squeeze these, and that way you'll be able to close these clamps up like that. Now you can just fix it a little bit like so. That's it. So for this side it was a pain, so I had to remove this charcoal canister out, and I put like a stand on it, and it's easier for me to get to those clamps and squeeze them. Alright guys, I just finished replacing the Evap hoses, the 3 of those, brand new ones. And yeah, obviously this liner needs to be replaced. We'll find a new one at some point. And these are the 3 old hoses. They were not in the worst shape, but not in the best. Started cracking here and started getting like really hard. I want to spray this rubber protectant on it, made in Germany. Let's go ahead and do that. Now I parked it this way, so I put this sunshade right there. So it's protecting the rear shelf. Okay guys, on this side I'm going to be changing the brake pads. Even though they're not that bad, we're going to change the brake pads, and then the rotor, we're either going to cut it or we're going to replace these rotors. One or the other. They have like a really big ridge, so it definitely needs to be changed. And we're going to be changing these brake hoses. Take a look at this. Perfect timing to replace these brake hoses right here. This is what I'm using to press these pistons back in, like this. The brake pads are loose. And then for the rotors, I definitely recommend replacing them. I just looked at the one side and the other. They're not even at all. This is thicker, this is thinner. Hella brake pads, amazing quality. Added the brake sensor as well. Now we're gonna have to order some new rotors for this thing. This time now I'm gonna go ahead and replace this brake hose and new ones right over here.
A few moments later.
So I'm having a bit of a problem with this. As you can see, this is what this one looks like, and then the factory one is a little different. And the problem is that this part just doesn't go inside of there. It just does not want to go in. It's like a little bit too big. So I have two options: to find another hose or shorten this one. I'm so annoyed right now. It's been an hour. I've been trying to grind this thing down, and yeah, I'm doing it by hand. And yeah, it's not working out. And here in this country, to get the proper hose like this, because this looks like original one, I don't know, it's gonna take probably a long time, and I don't want to wait. I want to finish this job. And this appears to be like the same like hose. The exception is that this thing is the wrong one, wrong fitting on this side. It's not properly correct, but this is a Phoebe hose. So yeah, I don't know, I'm really annoyed. Really annoyed. Condition of the old brake hoses. And I noticed that this seal has popped out, so I'm gonna try to reinstall it back to its spot. Added some silicone paste, and I'm gonna try to push those pins back in. So I got these clipped in, but these last ones are such a pain. They're not going on. Alright, looks like I finally got this thing all installed. Someone's been here before. I don't know, I'm messing with this. See what the owner brought. The owner brought a lot of parts right there. Amazing. This thing is so how heavy. Probably heavier than Toyota Corolla. That's how heavy this thing is. As you can see, I put silicone paste on these boots to protect them, preserve them, so they're not cracking anytime soon. Okay guys, that's it on this side. Got brand new rotor, looking amazing. And look at, we compare it to the old one. Just take a look. It's a big difference, you see? Big difference in thickness. And this one has a bad ridge already developed here too. Much needed for new disc brakes. And everything else is looking amazing here, looking good. Just a little dusty, which is expected here in this region. Added some grease right there on the hub surface so this doesn't get corroded together. I'm ready to put the wheel back on this side. Put grease on the hub. Okay, this side is done too. We got brand new disc, pads, everything ready to go on this side. Looking amazing.